Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of refrigerator water filters, and I'm excited to introduce you to the TEEHAY W10295370A water filter replacement. If you're looking for the best option for your Whirlpool refrigerator, this is it. Let's explore what makes this filter stand out. The TEEHAY W10295370A is not just any water filter. It's designed specifically for compatibility. With a range of Whirlpool models, including the EDR1RXD1, WHR1RXD1, and several others. This ensures a seamless fit, making your installation process hassle-free and straightforward. What sets the TEEHAY filter apart is its impressive ability to reduce harmful contaminants. This filter is certified to reduce up to 99% of lead, chlorine taste, and odor, which means you're not just getting clean water but water that tastes fresh and crisp. This is essential for keeping your family safe and healthy. Imagine enjoying your favorite beverages or cooking with pure, filtered water every time. With a filter capacity of 200 gallons, you'll have plenty of clean water before needing a replacement. Now, let's talk about the construction of this filter. The TEEHAY W10295370A is made from lead-free and food-grade materials, ensuring safety and durability. It's also BPA-free, which is a crucial consideration for anyone concerned about health. Plus, it has an innovative twist and lock design, making the replacement process simple and mess-free. No tools are required. Just a quick twist and you're done. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace your TEEHAY water filter every 6 months or after filtering 200 gallons of water. This not only keeps your water tasting great but also maintains the efficiency of your refrigerator's water dispensing system. One of the best things about the TEEHAY W10295370A is its affordability. Priced at approximately $35.99 for a 3-pack, you're getting a great value. This works out to just $12 per filter, which is quite competitive in the market. Given the quality and performance it delivers, this is an investment in your family's health that won't break the bank. In summary, the TEEHAY W10295370A water filter replacement is a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance the quality of their drinking water. With its excellent filtration capabilities, easy installation, and cost-effectiveness, it truly earns its place as the best water filter for Whirlpool refrigerators. If you're ready to upgrade your refrigerator's filtration system, this filter should be at the top of your list. Thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, stay hydrated and keep your water pure.